Hello, everyone. Welcome back to A1 English Podcast, your favorite place to learn real, natural English. I am so happy you're here with us today.
Hello, hello. I'm Jessica, and if you are new here, welcome to the family. This channel is all about helping you speak English with confidence. And today's topic is something every English learner needs to hear.
That is absolutely right, Jessica. Before we get started, if you want to improve your English naturally, do one small thing right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
Yes, because we upload new episodes every single day. Real conversations, real English, real life. And every episode makes you a little bit better.
Okay, now let me ask you something. Have you ever written an English message and thought, wait, is it L-O-S-E or L-O-O-S-E? Which one is correct?
Oh my goodness, yes, this is one of the most common mistakes in English, even from people who have been learning for years.
Today, we are talking about lose versus loose, two words that look almost the same, but they mean completely different things, and they sound different too.
And honestly, once you understand the difference today, you will never make this mistake again. That is our promise to you.
By the end of this episode, you will know the correct spelling, the correct pronunciation, the correct meaning, and how to use both words in real, everyday conversations.
No boring grammar textbooks, no complicated rules, just simple, clear, friendly English, the A1 way.
All right, let's go.
Okay, Jack, let's start from the beginning. Why do so many people confuse lose and loose?
Great question. So here's the thing. These two words look so similar, L-O-S-E and L-O-O-S-E. The only difference is one extra letter O, but that one letter changes everything.
Right. And not just the meaning, the pronunciation is completely different too.
Exactly. And that is the big problem. People see the word, they read it wrong in their head, they spell it wrong when they write, and the confusion just keeps growing.
I see this mistake all the time on social media. People write things like, I don't want to lose this opportunity. And it sounds natural to them, but it is actually wrong.
Yes, or someone writes, we're going to lose the game, but they spell it L-O-O-S-E, and now the sentence means something completely different.
So let's fix this today, once and for all.
All right, let's start with the basics. Lose. L-O-S-E is a verb. It's an action word.
Okay, so what does lose mean exactly?
Lose means three main things. Number one, to not win something. Number two, to not be able to find something. Number three, to stop having something.
Okay, let's make this super practical. Give me real-life examples.
Sure. So imagine you are playing a football match. Your team is not winning. You might say, I hope we don't lose this match.
Perfect. That is lose, meaning to not win. And notice the spelling, L-O-S-E, only one O.
Exactly. Now, here's another example. Imagine you put your keys somewhere and now you cannot find them. You say, I always lose my keys.
Oh, I say that all the time. That is lose, meaning you cannot find something.
And one more. Imagine someone is trying to lose weight, to become lighter, to have less weight. They say, I want to lose 5 kilograms before summer.
Okay, so now how do we pronounce it? Because this is where people make the second mistake.
Yes, great point. Lose is pronounced lose. Say it with me. Lose.
Lose, like the word news or shoes, that Z sound at the end.
Exactly right. Lose. Not loose, not loose, lose, with a Z sound.
Now, let's look at the forms of lose, because this word changes depending on tense.
Good thinking. So lose is present tense. Lost is past tense. Losing is the continuous form, and loser, well, that's a person who loses.
Let me give example sentences for each one.
Go ahead.
Present, we always lose when it rains. Past, we lost the game yesterday. Continuous, we are losing right now. And noun, nobody wants to be a loser.
Beautiful examples, Jessica. See, everyone? Lose is always about not having something, not winning, or not being able to find something, and always spelled L-O-S-E.
1-0, only 1-0. Remember that.
Okay, now let's talk about loose. L-O-O-S-E. 2 O's this time.
And this one is mostly an adjective, a describing word.
Right. Loose means not tight, not firm, or having room to move freely.
So let's think about clothes. Imagine you bought a shirt and it is too big for you. The shirt is not tight on your body. What do you say?
You say, this shirt is too loose. L-O-O-S-E. 2 O's.
Perfect. Or imagine a tooth. Maybe a child's tooth is coming out. The tooth is moving around, not firm. You say, my tooth is loose.
Exactly. Or think about a knot, like when you tie your shoes. If the knot is not tight, you say, my shoelaces are loose. I need to tie them again.
Now, how do we pronounce loose?
Great question. Loose is pronounced loose, with a soft S sound at the end. Loose.
Loose, like the word goose or moose, that SS sound, not a Z sound.
Exactly. So listen carefully, everyone. Lose is lose with a Z. Loose is loose with an S.
That is the pronunciation key. Lose versus loose. Say both words with us. Lose, loose. Can you hear the difference?
Now, loose can also be a verb sometimes. To loosen means to make something less tight.
Like, can you loosen this lid? It's too tight.
Or, he loosened his tie after the meeting. That means he made the tie less tight.
So loose as an adjective means not tight, and loosen as a verb means to make something less tight. Great.
All right, Jessica, let's talk about the mistakes people make, because these are so helpful.
Yes, mistakes help us learn. Let's go through them. Mistake number 1.
Mistake number 1, writing loose when you mean lose. Like this, I don't want to lose my job.
Oh, I see this one every day. The correct sentence is, I don't want to lose my job. L-O-S-E, 1-O, because lose is the verb. It means to not have something.
If you write loose here, the sentence means I don't want my job to be not tight. It makes no sense.
Exactly. Context is everything.
Mistake number 2, writing lose when you mean loose. Like, these pants are too loose on me.
The correct sentence is, these pants are too loose on me, L-O-O-S-E, 2 O's, because you're describing how the pants fit or don't fit.
Lose is a verb, an action. Loose is an adjective, a description. Different jobs, different words.
Mistake number 3, pronouncing loose like lose. People say loose fit when they mean loose fit.
Remember, loose has that SS sound. Loose, like goose, like moose. That S at the end is soft.
And lose has the Z sound, lose, like news, like shoes. That Z at the end is stronger.
2 O's in loose gives you the loose sound. 1 O in lose gives you the lose sound. That is your memory trick.
I love that. 2 O's, loose, 1 O, lose. Simple.
Okay, now let's give everyone some memory tricks. These are going to make this so easy to remember.
Yes, memory tricks are the best learning tools.
Trick number 1. Think about the word loose. L-O-O-S-E. It has 2 O's. And think about what loose means. It means something has extra space, extra room. So the word itself has extra space, an extra O.
Oh, that is brilliant. Loose has extra space in the word, just like something loose has extra space. Double O, double space.
Exactly. And lose, L-O-S-E, has only 1 O. It is missing something. And what does lose mean? To be missing something, to not have something.
Wow, that is actually perfect. Loose is missing a letter, just like when you lose something, you are missing it.
Trick number 2. For pronunciation, think of rhyming words. Lose rhymes with shoes, news, blues, choose. They all have that lose sound.
And loose rhymes with goose, moose, goose, spruce. They all have that loose sound.
So next time you're not sure, think, does this word rhyme with shoes? Then it's lose. Does it rhyme with goose? Then it's loose.
Shoes, lose, goose, loose. Easy.
All right, let's make this super practical. Jessica and I are going to have a real conversation using both words. Listen carefully.
Yes, and everyone listening, pay attention to which word we use and why.
Mini Conversation 1. Sports. Jessica, did you watch the match last night?
Yes, I can't believe we almost lost. But we didn't lose in the end. We won.
I know. And did you see how loose the goalkeeper's jersey was? It was flying everywhere.
Yes, it was so loose. Someone needs to get him a better uniform.
Mini Conversation 2. Daily life. Have you seen my phone? I always lose things in this office.
It might have fallen through that loose drawer, the one that doesn't close properly.
Oh no, I really can't afford to lose my phone again. I lost it twice last month.
You need to fix that loose drawer too. Things keep falling in there.
Mini Conversation 3. Health and fitness. My doctor said I need to lose some weight this year.
That's why I wear loose clothes when I go running. It's more comfortable.
Good idea. I also need to lose the habit of eating late at night.
Yes, lose the bad habits, not your motivation.
Okay, everyone, quiz time. This is fun. Jack will read a sentence with a blank. You say the answer out loud before we give it. Ready?
Here we go. Sentence 1. I don't want to blank this opportunity. Lose or loose?
Think about it. Think. The answer is lose. L-O-S-E, because lose means to not have something. I don't want to lose this opportunity.
Sentence 2. This rope is too blank. It keeps falling off. Lose or loose?
The answer is loose. L-O-O-S-E, describing the rope. It's not tight. Loose ropes.
Sentence 3. She blank her wallet on the bus yesterday. Lose or loose?
This is past tense, so we need the past form of lose, which is lost. She lost her wallet on the bus yesterday.
Excellent. And last one. He was wearing blank trousers and a white shirt. Lose or loose?
Loose. L-O-O-S-E, describing the trousers, not tight. Loose trousers. How did you do, everyone? If you got all 4, amazing! You are officially a lose versus loose expert. All right, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
First, lose. L-O-S-E. 1 O. It is a verb. It means to not win, to not have something, or to not be able to find something. Pronounced lose, like shoes, like news.
Second, loose. L-O-O-S-E, two O's. It is usually an adjective. It means not tight, not firm, having room to move. Pronounced loose, like goose, like moose.
And the memory trick? Loose has two O's because it has extra space, just like something loose has extra space. Lose is missing an O because when you lose something, it is missing.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying. Every mistake is a step forward. Every lesson makes you stronger.
English is a journey, not a test, and you are doing amazing just by being here and learning today. We are so proud of you.
If this episode helped you, please hit the like button right now. It means the world to us, and it helps more people find this channel.
And if you want more real English conversations like this every single day, subscribe to A1 English Podcast. We are here for you every day, every episode.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, you can do this.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode. Take care.